Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Notes with a specific note open. You don't need settings first. Type a hash symbol and the tag text, hash project or hash recipes, directly in the body or title. Once done, press return or tap elsewhere so Notes recognizes it as a tag. You can add several tags to the same note by repeating the hash pattern. Make sure to avoid punctuation immediately after the tag so it links correctly. If it won't highlight, edit and retype the tag cleanly. Once you've added tags, switch to the tag browser in the sidebar or folders view to see them collected. You can tap a single tag to filter all notes containing that tag, or tap additional tags to intersect and narrow results. This is powerful for multi-project workflows. Make sure to use consistent tag names and capitalization to avoid duplicates. You can also press and hold tags to rename or group them, creating nested tag groups for hierarchy. Finish by cleaning up tags. Open Tag Browser, rename similar tags, or merge duplicates so your system stays reliable. You can also use Notes Search with Tag, followed by the tag name for precise results. If tags aren't showing or syncing, make sure iCloud Notes is enabled and force a sync by toggling Notes in iCloud settings. If that fails, retype the tag in OneNote and watch it appear. If Notes still misbehave, restart the app to refresh indexing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.